They do not correspond at all. You cannot play with definitions. History is a science. We have to be scientific and authentic. We owe this to the victims. It was a crime during war actions, but it was not genocide. It doesn't make the events better or worse, but it was not genocide. This is the conclusion of our commission, in which there were 10 distinguished scholars from all over the world, and we have decided upon this with one voice. The case in Srebrenici cannot be defined as genocide. Not at all. I feel that there is a constant intention to blame the Serbs of all evil things which happened in the Balkans, which is absolutely not correct. It makes injustice to the Serbian people, who himself was a victim of mass murders through the 20th century, and I'm here to defend the Serbian side, because the Serbian side needs to be defended after being accused of fantastic crimes it did not commit. And I'm always for the truth, for emphasizing the facts, and as I mentioned, history is a science and I'm a scientist.